I'm Shiva, founder and CEO here at Pitstop, and I just want to take a second to welcome you and thank you for registering. Influenced by my childhood, growing up in repair centers, I spent a lot of time with trucks, cars, and everything in between. I started Pitstop really as a way to address some of the toughest challenges experienced by the fleet industry. Specifically, being able to get ahead of the expensive costs related to downtime by taking advantage of the enormous amounts of data generated by these assets. The goal is ultimately to be predictive instead of reactive and chaotic. The incredible thing about our solution is that it plugs into every ELD or telematics service provider that you currently work with. It pulls data from all of your systems and brings it into one place to make your day-to-day job so much easier. For an in-depth review of how Pitstop can help you and your fleet, feel free to email us at info@pitstopconnect.com. It's an incredibly exciting time to be in the transportation industry, and we're really happy to be working with you.